asuntosykeyhtiö Vantaan Haapapuista.
Just a moment, I need to focus. This is better, thank you so much. Today it's the 10th of November 2021. We have, was it Haapakuja?
Yeah.
Yes, betting 8 Stakes B. We've been to the Stakes A before, I can't remember exactly when it was published, but that was 3-4 years ago, I think.
Yeah.
And round 6 was here, it was built in 1989 by Valmet Otis with series 1 fixtures. The number is B1E0588, and we are here today in Koivukylä. It's also close to Finland data here in Vantaa. Helsinki has four season with the modernized Finland. Yes, and it's going to be inspected in 2023 with 6 floors. The capacity is 4 persons, 3 to 5 cars. Amazing. It's fast. Amazing sounds.
Yeah.
It's totally worth a second sound try.
Yeah.
I so love the sounds here. I think maybe this one has the best one. It sounds even better than this Stakes A maybe.
Yeah.
It turned 30 years old in 2019. In the building next to this one, they were sadly replaced with
Yeah. Inspected by lift institute, maintained by this one is.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's see if there's anything else here.
Yeah.
We can play the Stakes A also.
That's